If you ever wondered how people always like look put together and look good, I can guarantee you it's because they have a wig like this in their arsenal. Okay, let's get into this unboxing. This is from LUVME Hair's Too Easy Texture line. It's a 3-in-1 unit, and this is Yaki Straight. I'm a little nervous about this one because I've never really worn a Yaki straight texture with my hair, but what I do really want is to put less heat on my hair for the summer. So I'm hoping I can get away with this with a blowout style. I'm gonna try that first and see how it works. Overall, the nice thing about LUVME's units is they're doing something new with the cap construction. It's very breathable. It almost feels like a nylon on your head. It is so lightweight. There's air literally touching my scalp when I wear these units, so I can wear them in the summertime. I feel comfortable with them, and I just feel like a half wig is the way to go when it's getting hot outside. We also have some free clips, and they always actually include useful free gifts like a comb, a wig cap, and some clips, so I always end up getting use out of those. Let's go ahead and start sectioning off my hair. I like to leave a little kind of straight perimeter section out at the front, and then I'm just going to do really simple 2 braids to the back, and once I'm finished doing these braids, we're going to put a wig cap on it. Now if you really wanted to wear this for a longer period of time, I highly suggest doing cornrows because you can have this laying super flat very comfortably. I'm using this hot tool from LUVME Hair to get that like blowout look, so we're just putting some heat protector on. So because I'm trying out this new hot tool, I was hoping that it would work, but I'll be honest, it actually didn't, so I needed to go over it with my flat iron just quickly. I did 1 pass afterwards. You'll see that later on in the video, but let's go ahead and just put this girl on because I can't wait to see how she looks. I really do love a simple, quick, easy style, so I'm going to talk you through it. Okay, now that actually feels really comfortable already. I'm gonna go ahead and tighten this by just pulling it and sliding the silicone stopper up a little bit. Oh yeah, this feels super secure. I feel like we should do a test. Let's go ahead and finish styling her. With this type of unit, you don't really want to have too much of a defined part. You kind of just want to like be able to tousle your hair around side to side, which is why it's perfect for summer. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add a little curl into this. This turned out really beautifully. I love the natural curl that I did at the bottom. It's just like a very like soft blowout look, but I'm actually gonna use my heatless curlers and I'm gonna put these in because I want to kind of test and see how well this hair holds up.
Two hours later.
Okay, so I've had this in for not that long, but I'm gonna take it out now because I want to just show you the results. And let's see how the curls held up. We're gonna go and do something else. Cyrus, my son, is in the back. And this is what I would do. I would sleep in this and I would just take it out and boom. Ready for work, ready for a day, ready for whatever you have to do. The curl, so pretty. I only had that on for about like an hour and the curl, literally so pretty and bouncy. I always pride myself on being really honest in my reviews, and this is a sponsored video, so thank you so much, LUVME Hair, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video on my channel. But let's keep it 100. One thing about LUVME is they're going to come through every time with affordable prices. I feel like this unit is so well priced. This is really something that you should just pick up if you're needing like something for this summertime just to throw on. You want a wig, but you don't really want to bother with glueless, lace, none of that. This is the one. I feel like you could wear this half up, half down. You could wear it in a low pony, but you can also just kind of like throw her on and go. I think a half wig is actually what my hairstylist usually wears, and she told me that she likes to sew it onto her head. So, I mean, the options are really endless. It's essentially like a flip over sew-in, but you can take it off at night. So win-win. The other thing that I really like about this one is it's just so convenient. Like, I can have my hair done in 5 minutes or less with a half wig. I curled it in literally like 15 minutes. The hair curls beautifully and the hair is really beautiful. So you can see my hair is dyed jet black, but the extensions here in the wig are a beautiful natural 1B. So I just want to show you this because I feel like on camera sometimes you don't notice that it's not exactly black. This is jet black. This is the color of the extensions. So I would need to dye this if I want to wear it more often. But honestly, she's just so cute. Like, the hair texture is beautiful. This is a beautiful Yaki straight. I've tried Yaki straight in the past once, and this is why I was nervous for this one, because I've had bad Yaki straight, and this is good quality. It feels very soft, it feels very silky and smooth, and this is human hair for sure. I really like how it handles heat, I like how it straightens, I like how it curls, and in general, I just think it looks really lightweight and really just like fresh. The other thing about this unit, and this could be a good thing for some and others may not love it, is that it's not super full. I'm not trying to say that it's thin, but it's not giving intense volume. For me personally, with a half wig, I think it looks more natural that way. I think it's the perfect amount of density. I wouldn't want any more. I think it's blending really nicely with my hair because we don't want to be leaving a whole bunch of our hair out at the front, right? The whole point of this is to protect our natural hair. So if you had something that was really dense, you would need to leave a lot more leave out at the front. I think this is perfect. I think it's just the right amount of hair. And I think it looks really natural. So I love that, but I do want to call that out just in case you're a fan of really thick hair. And there's really only one thing that I'm kind of on the fence about with this wig, and this is just how I feel with all units or hairstyling that's like this, is the undefined part. Because of the style of this, you can't really do a defined part. It has to kind of just be like tousled over, like how I mentioned earlier in the video. And I think it's so pretty and so like carefree for summer, but something in me just wants a part. Like, that's just how I am. I love having a defined part. So for me, I don't know how I feel about the undefined part. It's growing on me, but yeah, it's kind of irking me just a little bit that there's no defined part. Now, the solution to this would just be to do a U part or a V part instead, but I wanted to try something different. So I'm glad I'm trying out this half wig. This is really reminding me of the flip over sew-in that I had a few months ago with this gorgeous curly texture, and I loved it, but having no part did drive me a little crazy. Let me know what your thoughts are on that. Do you prefer having a part or do you prefer having an undefined part? I feel like an undefined part allows you to leave a lot less hair out, so if that's what you're going for, then that's definitely the style to choose. Now, they also have this unit in a kinky curly texture, which would be so beautiful if that's your hair type. I think it would be so pretty for summer, but I'm feeling this Yaki straight. I'd love to know what your thoughts are on Love Me Hair. I've done a lot of videos on all hair companies and a lot with Love Me Hair as well. So thank you so much to Love Me Hair for always supporting my channel, and thank you for watching my videos. Let me know what you think of this unit. I think this is really nice for summer. I actually probably am going to give this one to my niece because I know that she'll love it more than I do. And then I'm going to go ahead and buy their U part or their V part. So I'll let you know what I think of the U part or V part. Maybe I'll do a video on it and show you how I style it. But so far, I'm feeling this one. I think she's real cute. Love you. See you soon. Bye.
Single on the body,